Did someone hack your Instagram account and change your email, password, or phone number? Don't panic. In most cases, you can get it back, and I'll show you exactly how. Step 1. Try the login screen first. Open Instagram and tap. Get more help on the login screen. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. Instagram will send you a verification link or code. Use it to reset your password immediately. Step 2. If your email was also changed, use video selfie verification. On the login screen, tap Get More Help, then select I can't access this email or phone number. Instagram will ask you to verify your identity with a video selfie. Record the selfie following the on-screen instructions. It compares your face to photos on your profile to confirm you are the owner. Step 3. Check for a security email from Instagram. When hackers change your email, Instagram sends an alert to your original address. Open that email and tap Secure My Account. Step 4. If nothing else worked, report the account as hacked. Go to the login screen, tap Get More Help, and select I think my account has been hacked to notify support. Step 5. Once you're back in, secure your account immediately with these 3 steps. Change your password, turn on Two-Factor Authentication, and log out of any devices you don't recognize. Recovery can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Be patient and check your email regularly. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one.